Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee. And look at this beautiful bike. I got a 2015 Electra Glide Ultra. Donnie brought it all the way from Virginia, about a 6-hour drive, to us to upgrade his stereo and the rest of his system. He started out with the old GT radio with the rubber buttons, the one that takes 3 minutes to load and will get you lost on nav. And we upgraded to the new Soundstream HDHU.14Si. Such a huge improvement. Even on this older bike that didn't have the gauge information in the radio, he now has custom gauges. You can see oil pressure, you can see speed, you can see RPM, and about 70 other things that he could choose from to set in those custom gauges. We also got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Sirius XM capabilities, so many more new features, and it looks like that GTS radio. So now his bike looks like a new one again. On top of that, we did the Hertz SP4.900, that huge 2,000 watt amp, to a total of going to be 8 speakers when his tour pack's on. But he's got the SX165 6.5-inch Neo speakers from Hertz in his uppers and his lowers, and the SX690Neo 6x9 is in the back. And this thing sounds absolutely awesome. And if weather holds out, we're going to do a walk-away video here in a minute and let you hear what it sounds like. I just want to take a few minutes and let you see this beautiful bike, see the work that's been done, and let you know that you could take your older bike and make it look like a new bike again, just like Donnie did. So hang out and let's watch this walk away. All right, another happy customer fixing to head back home. Donnie's brought his bike a long ways, but I wanted to give you a chance to listen to it and see just how clear it is and how awesome it sounds as we do a little short walk away.
All this time, I've been feeling hopeless till you came around. All this time, you're the only reason I'm not chasing highs. What is love? Lately I've been wondering just what is love? What is love? I don't know. No one ever showed me I've been on my own for too long. But if you hold me,
Hertz Neo speakers are amazing. They're so clear. They go so loud without blowing. That new amp, that SP4.900 has been a total game changer. And most of all, this new radio, this HDHU.14Si, no need for a DSP. They get amazingly clear sound, full adjustment at your fingertips, and make your bike look like a new one. If you think you might want to get your bike done like this from Volunteer Audio, just reach out to us. You can call us at 1-844-30-AUDIO. You can view all the packages we offer at volunteeraudio.com. Email us at sales@volaudio.com. Definitely just comment at the bottom of this video. We'd love to hear from you. If you got questions, thank you so much for watching. Please like this video. Please subscribe. And we'd love to see you in person. Get to build your bike. All right. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, God bless.